Assalamualaikum and a warm good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking. My name is Sheikh Nasra. I live in Gosi. My father's name is Sheikh Nabi Advocate, and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, I am present here to talk about women empowerment. Before starting my topic, I want to speak some beautiful lines in English and Hindi. The empowered woman is powerful, measure beyond description. यूं कहती है दुनिया कि नारी कमजोर है, यूं कहती है दुनिया कि नारी कमजोर है, आज भी नारी के हाथ में घर चलाने की डोर है. Women empowerment means making women independent. It also promotes women's safety. It allows women to take their decision. It equalizes the share of women with men. Women empowerment is necessary in development. It helps reducing domestic violence and crimes against women. Women empowerment also helps in reducing gender inequality in society. Women have been a great importance for generations. Women play the role of wives and mother in the society. The empowerment of women has also brought social and economic gains in India. Before ending my topic, I want to speak some wonderful lines in English and Hindi. There is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. कम नहीं ये किसी से साबित कर दिखलाएंगी, कम नहीं ये किसी से साबित कर दिखलाएंगी, खोल दो बंधन बेटियां हर मंजिल पा जाएंगी, हर मंजिल पा जाएंगी. I want to speak one more beautiful line in Hindi. स्त्री कभी हारती नहीं, उसे हराया जाता है. स्त्री कभी हारती नहीं, उसे हराया जाता है. समाज क्या कहेगा या कहकर उसे बचपन से डराया जाता है. I wind up my speech thanking you all great people for paying heed to my word. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.